I was at work, and as you can see, I'm a woman of color. I was experiencing some very challenging times at work, and it was around the time during COVID, where COVID shut us all down and forced us to work from home, many of us. And I started reflecting on my work experiences and thought that I needed to share my experiences with others to help them better navigate the challenges that I went through. And I kept seeing your advertisement come across my computer screen too many times. And I thought, okay, let me look into this and see how speaking can help me get my message out to people to have better workplace environments. The advertisement came around the time I was looking to share my message. So I didn't really see too much of a challenge working with you guys because you made the experience easy to follow. It was conveyed in chunks at a time. So the TEDx talk itself involves several different emotions, types of storytelling, and each of those were broken out into sessions, and it made it really easy to follow. So I created a lot of content, and you guys helped me take all of that content and condense it down into a few minutes, and each of those few minutes together made the talk. One phrase that I constantly heard while working with you guys was trust the process. And I didn't understand that phrase, but now I kind of do understand that phrase, like trust the process. Although I said at the beginning of this that there wasn't many challenges, but there were some challenges that could have made the experience a lot more easier. And one of them I would safely say is to constantly reiterate and share that phrase often, frequently, and throughout, just to trust the process, because there's so much going on trying to create your stuff, your own stuff. And when you're creating your stuff, you've got so much coming in at every angle from the world. And you're trying to figure out what pieces to keep, what pieces to let go. And while you're doing that, you're constantly needing that coaching and that cheerleading to trust the process and keep going.